Let us imagine a world where emotions cannot be transferred, only displayed and felt by select people. It would be a miserable world to live in. Sufferings will be many, yet not felt by the joyous few. However, unfortunately, it is the current world we live in. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges, and members of the House, good morning. My name is Abin Ghazali, and I stand before you as the first speaker of the proposition. Today, we proudly propose the motion. This House prefers a world where human emotions, such as happiness, sadness, and pain, can be transferred to others. Before diving into our arguments, allow me to define the key terms of this motion to ensure clarity. Emotions are the state of being or the current feeling of an individual. And by emotion, by being able to be transferred, means that the emotions can be transferred by will from one person to another. In this debate, I will present three main arguments. The first, regarding caretakers and their patients with severe disabilities. Second, regarding social exclusions such as racism, sexism, and community belonging. And lastly, about reliance on medications for psychological illnesses. So, honorable judges, let me begin with the current problem. The current problem in our society is that empathy exists. However, it is not felt by some people, such as psychopaths, who are not able to feel it. And there are those who are apathetic. They know and they can feel those feelings. However, they choose to not acknowledge it because they would lose something when they do. And lastly, there are people with severe disabilities who cannot express their emotions clearly. These three peoples are make up a large part of our society, and a lack of understanding often creates conflicts, such as the one in Papua, where uh, where several people were killed and many properties were lost because of a misunderstanding, which would be solved if the world if human emotions can be transferred to others. So, honorable judges, let me begin with my first argument. A world where human emotions can be transferred to others would significantly aid caretakers to understand patients with severe disabilities, such as cerebral palsy, and those with severe injuries, such as people in coma and people in paralysis. Their caretakers will be able to know and share their emotions, which will their significantly aid their healing time. And knowing they can know what the patient needs, and whilst also giving them hope to patients to heal, such as patients in coma and in paralysis. Because emotions have been proven to be an effective medicine in addition to scientific medicine. Second, it will significantly reduce social exclusions such as racism and sexism, while also improving community belonging and self-worth. Exclusion and racism and sexism exists because of a lack of empathy. It is similar to the Holocaust in the 1949, where the camp guards did not see the Jewish as human, but rather as an animal. They, because they see them as an animal, they feel that they do not feel anything when they torture them, and most belief regarding sexism and racism are rooted deep as a core belief. Yet, most are created from baseless rumors and situations which have changed and are no longer happening. This belief, however, is often shared and passed through generations, creating generational trauma to those affected, such as Asian people Black people, and Mexican people. So, the protests created by these people and vocals for a policy change will have more weight behind it. And because those in power will be able to directly feel what these minorities are feeling, and this will significantly decrease social exclusion and social differences. My third argument is regarding creating a less reliance on medications or antidepressants to individuals affected by psychological illnesses, such as bipolar disorder, clinical depression, and Down syndrome, and lastly, anger complexes. A reliance on them creates financial burdens and, in some cases, develops an addiction. This problem will be solved if emotions can be transferred to others. To summarize, the government team have shown that if emotions can be transferred to others, it will significantly aid in, in human understanding because verbal actions are sometimes not enough. For these reasons, we firmly believe that a world where human emotions can be transferred to others will significantly aid in creating a foundation of inclusive society. Honorable judges, emotions are exotic traits of humans. They gain value when shared, and they do not lose any value. And a world where sharing them is easier will provide the foundations of an inclusive world fit for all. And for that reason, we are proud to propose today's motion.